I did a thing.
And bought a boat. It's completely shot. But it does come with a garden. You can poke through the walls. And the motor's locked up. Steering wheel doesn't move. Neither does the throttle. We don't have a key. We also don't have a title. Everything is completely falling apart, including in the bathroom. To watch us completely restore this boat, get it running, and take it on an adventure, subscribe to stay up with the updates.